Welcome to the 2024-25 Horticulture Final Estimates, a comprehensive performance review of Madhya Pradesh's horticultural sector. The magnitude of the harvest for all India horticulture in 2024-25 shows a total area of 30.14 million hectares and a total production of 370.74 million tons. Madhya Pradesh, the heart of the harvest, contributes significantly with 2.62 million hectares in total area and 37.88 million tons in total production. The state ranks first in India for garlic and mandarin, and second for onion and tomato. In the vegetable sector, Madhya Pradesh ranks third in India. This is powered by 1.26 million hectares of area and 23.17 million tons of production, showcasing extraordinary yield and scale in champion crops like onion and tomato. The orchard diversity sector contributes 10.2 million tons of fruit production from 486,000 hectares, ranking fourth in India. Key contributors include banana, guava, and mandarin. Madhya Pradesh is the undisputed spice capital of India, ranking first nationally. With 3.84 million tons of production from 781,000 hectares, the state leads in garlic and ginger production, alongside high aroma seeds like coriander. In floriculture, the state ranks second in India for loose flowers, with a production of 487.94 thousand metric tons from 43.61 thousand hectares. Marigold is the absolute dominator, alongside rose and chrysanthemum. Madhya Pradesh's specialty portfolio, aromatics and medicinal, features 127.71 thousand metric tons of production from 48.25 thousand hectares. This high-value vertical optimizes revenue per hectare in the state's agricultural strategy. The plantation crops sector is expanding horizons with 1.47 thousand metric tons of production from 810 hectares. While specialized, this segment maintains a diverse portfolio for future growth. In closing, Madhya Pradesh is leading India's agricultural story. With top spots in spices, garlic, and mandarin, and top 3 rankings in vegetables and flowers, the state's 37.88 million ton harvest is a testament to dedicated cultivation and scientific innovation.